In a world where everyone deserves a safe place to call home, the Hadrian X construction robot is making it possible by building the walls of a house in just one day. In a groundbreaking demonstration program with one of the largest building material suppliers in the world, we're showcasing this incredible technology right here in Southwest Florida. Traditional construction methods generate a staggering 1.3 billion tons of waste annually, but the Hadrian X is transforming the construction industry with its unparalleled speed, accuracy, safety, and waste reduction through its use of 3D CAD modeling to reduce overordering, paving the way for a more sustainable future. By 2030, the global population is projected to reach 8.5 billion people. This rapid growth demands innovative solutions to meet housing needs efficiently and sustainably. However, the construction industry faces a severe shortage of skilled workers, with an estimated need for 546,000 additional workers in the U.S. alone. The Hadrian X addresses these challenges head-on. Its advanced dynamic stabilization technology ensures precise construction, reducing errors and enhancing safety on site. By automating the bricklaying process, the Hadrian X not only speeds up construction, but also eliminates the need for sand, concrete, and water through the use of construction adhesive, twice as strong as traditional mortar and contributing to a cleaner environment. From its roots in Western Australia to now Southwest Florida to the rest of the world, the Hadrian X is setting a new standard in construction. Imagine the possibilities when building a house in a day becomes the norm. With the Hadrian X construction robot, that future is here today. To learn more about the Hadrian X construction robot, visit fbr.com.au.